Hello, I'm in a 2003 Ford F-250 and today I'm going to show you how to brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see this reservoir. This is your brake fluid reservoir. It's got a max line and a minimum line. So the max line, there's supposed to be a little air gap, so you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. And I'd also double check your owner's manual. Make sure you're adding the best type of liquid for your particular make and model. But that said, when you're ready, just unscrew this top, set it to the side, and either straight from your liquid jug with the funnel, fill as needed until you're around this max. Screw this back on nice and tight. And you hardly ever should have to add to this system. So I would double check around the reservoir and all the lines leading to it for any leaks or cracks or anything like that that might need addressed. And if there are, you definitely want to get that repaired. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.